Now you have a camera inside the bulb as well, with the memory card slot, with the 16 megapixel camera, with the microphone and with the speakers. So the name of the camera is a 360 IS. So this is the box. The application is available for the iOS and Android. You can scan the barcode through the barcode scanner and you can download the application. So let's just unbox this one. First thing first, the two manuals, one is in a Chinese, one is in English. Still the barcode application is available. You can simply download in your smartphone. Before going to connect the camera with the holder, just read the manual instructions carefully so you can easily configure the camera and you can access the camera in your smartphone. It will be configured with your Wi-Fi router or with your access point, so you can access the camera. So this is the main thing. So let's see the camera. So this is a Wi-Fi bulb camera. As you guys can see, this is a bulb size 16 megapixel camera with the reset button, microphone, speaker and the holder. There is a LED indicator which will show you how to like it's connecting or it's disconnected, plus micro SD card slot. This is a very important thing. If you are not accessing the camera, the micro SD card will record every single thing and then you can access later. It comes with the additional accessories also. The extension of the holder, so if you face any problem to connect this one inside the holder, you can use this extension and you can simply connect. So as you guys can see, we just use the extension for the lamp and we just connect the camera like this. Now we are just going to configure the camera with the smartphone. We just configure the camera with our router. So right now you can see from red light the indicator is now green. It will be very easy for you if you will follow the instructions which is mentioned inside the manual, so you can easily configure the camera. Now let's do the setup. I will just turn on the application. I will show you how it operates.
This is the application. You just need to press the plus button. You will see the two different modes are available, wired and wireless. Select one of the mode and configure with your router. After configuration, you will see the cam there. Select that one. Once you select, there is a different modes are available. This is the result of the camera. There is a volume, camera, mic and recording button. Once you select press the volume button so you can hear the sound. There is a camera, you can take the live pictures from the bulb. There is a microphone. Once you press that one, you can speak from here and the other people can hear from the bulb. And this is a recording facility. If you want to record live, you can record through this one. Just you have to use the memory card in that, or otherwise it will record in your smartphone. These are the different kinds of angles of the camera which you can see and which you can change from the application itself. So you can see the different views of the camera lens. And now there is a most important thing, there is a light button also. Once you select that light button, you can increase the and decrease the intensity of the light of the bulb, which you can see the result here. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to share, and if you think this channel is giving you more information about the gadgets, don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you.